Welcome everybody to downtown Vancouver. This is the fourth and final video of the sub-areas of downtown Vancouver, and we're going to get into it right after this. Vancouver, famed for its beauty, Canada's most cosmopolitan West Coast city, sits surrounded by mountains, beaches, and the greenery of Stanley Park's forest. While a great outdoors appeals to travelers looking for adventure, downtown Vancouver is packed with attractions, shopping, dining, making it a must visit for any traveler and the place to live for local residents. Compact and easy to navigate, most of the downtown neighborhoods are within walking distance from each other. And the SkyTrain line. This rapid transit makes it easy to move around the whole city center. There are also hop-on, hop-off buses for a day of adventuring, as well as the local bus lines that will take you to all major downtown Vancouver attractions, plus Stanley Park and Gastown. One thing nice about downtown Vancouver is the city has built some amazing parks all through the city. And today we're at Emily Barnes Park, which is right downtown in the heart of the downtown sub-area between Richards and Seymour and north of Davie Street. As you can see, it's pretty busy here today. Behind us is the dog park, and it was quite busy here 5 minutes ago, but a little quiet right now. But those dog parks are also located throughout the city, which makes it really, really good for people that have pets. From the Canada Line's Vancouver City Centre Station, you can walk to the Vancouver Art Gallery, where we are right now, which is the largest gallery in Western Canada. It's close to Robson Square, a hub for free ice skating in the winter and free dance classes in the summer. Home to permanent and visiting exhibitions, Vancouver Art Gallery showcases international artists and British Columbian artworks by renowned Canadian artists. If you're looking for more art, walk a few blocks to the Bill Reid Gallery of Northwest Coast Art to see pieces by the prolific Indigenous artist and learn more about the people of Canada's First Nations. Vancouver is a foodie city, buzzing with incredible restaurants of every sort. The best restaurants in downtown Vancouver range from food trucks, which you can see in the back of us, and Japanese pubs, to seafood extravaganzas. There's something for everybody. Vancouver's famous Japadog, Japanese-inspired hot dogs, can usually be found nearby on Burrard Street. Download the street food app to find out where and when the food trucks will be open, or just keep an eye out for the food truck lines. Downtown Vancouver is the place to shop in Vancouver, in part because downtown Vancouver shopping is so diverse. Not only do you have Robson Street with shops and eats galore, but right in downtown is Pacific Centre, the most central mall in the city. Pacific Centre Mall also offers brand name fashions like those stores found on Robson Street, but it's set indoors, which makes it an ideal for rainy day shopping, which in Vancouver, there's just a few of those. Nightlife in downtown Vancouver is centered on Granville Street, known generally as the Granville Entertainment District. Downtown Granville Street is packed with bars, nightclubs, making it easy to bar hop from one destination to another. Big name DJs and dance acts often perform along the strip, and legendary venues such as the Vogue Theater and the Commodore Ballroom host touring live bands. There's also the Vancouver Theater, the state-of-the-art headquarters of the Vancouver International Film Festival, which screens a wide variety of movies throughout the year in a kind of auditorium that cinema enthusiasts dream of. Check the ever-changing schedule for shows and special events. And remember that a $2 annual membership is mandatory. Designed to resemble the cruise ships that berth alongside Canada Place, The white sails are a distinctive part of Vancouver's waterfront. A stroll around the West Promenade takes you along the Canadian Trail through the country's 10 provinces and 3 territories. Watch the seaplanes take off from the nearby Vancouver Harbour Flight Centre terminal, or take a trip across the country at the high-tech flyover Canada Ride. Buckle up and sit suspended in front of your spherical screen that creates an illusion of flying across Canada's awe-inspiring landscapes from coast to coast during your 8-minute flight. Downtown, you'll also find the Orpheum Theater, which was opened in 1927. Vancouver's grandest old-school theater has a gorgeous and beautifully maintained Baroque interior, making it the perfect place to catch a rousing show with the Vancouver Symphony Orchestra, who call this place home. There are frequent additional performers throughout the year. Check ahead to see what's on during your stay. So thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, we really appreciate it if you hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more videos, please hit the subscribe button. There's more videos about the downtown core if you check these videos up here. We look forward to chatting to you soon. You can email, text, or call us directly if you have any questions. Take care. Bye for now.